Middle Wallop in Hampshire to the Army Aviation Museum for a classic car gathering hosted by Fuel Power. Now Fuel Power are a YouTube channel, they're having a Fuel Power party. It's a kind of classic car gathering stroke YouTuber meet. Really looking forward to getting there. Scheduled to start about 10 o'clock. Currently it's 5 to 8, so I'm a bit keen, but I've got about 30 miles to cover. So the plan is to get into the local area, stop off, have a quick cup of tea, and then arrive at the party on time. Yeah, so we've got about 30 miles to cover today. Little road trip out in George. Weather's lovely, because the last few days it's been shucking it down, so we were a bit concerned about the weather, but yeah, it looks like it's going to be a good day, so I'll catch up with you when I've arrived. See you in a bit. Well, George and I have made it. It's still quite early, but we're here at the Army Flying Museum in Middle Wallop, that'll do. Yeah, it's still quite early, cars are still turning up, so let's have a look around and see what there is to see. Oh, I had to start with this really, didn't I? It's ex-Hubnut Yugoslav. So this is the vehicle that Ian struggled getting running. I understand it's been off the road a long time. I don't know what progress Matt has had with it, but good to see it's in good hands and getting love and attention that it deserves. That's another one of the Fuel Power fleet there. Land Rover Discovery. And this belongs to Guinevere's dad, I believe. Gertie, the A30. And my attention's also been drawn to this. This is just beyond awesome. It's a 1971 Mini Phoenix. But somehow I don't think that Suzuki lump is standard. Yep, liking that a lot. Mr. Lloyd's Rover 45. And look at this next to George. Well, it's a momentous occasion. The Hubnuts are here. It's Ian's Berlingo Bella, together with Bob. So this is Jake's own Mini. Unfortunately he had starting issues this morning, but he has got the fleet here. Going for a closer look. So a bit of tinkering going on here. They're trying to get Jake's Mini working. It's cranking but no ignition, so we think it's possibly the ignition that's packed up. And there's my mate Amber's car over at Driven 24/7, the YouTube channel. Oh look, it's Amber. How you doing?
Nice little turnout. The fuel power party.
I'm liking the pink.
I look like I'm going to rap the no yo yo. Nice to see yourself and George again.
Yeah.
Good turnout here.
It is awesome. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Have you got a favourite car?
What do I say? What's the right answer? George or I don't know. I really like the much minter condition behind.
I was looking at that. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it?
Of course, I've got to be biased. What about yourself?
Well, obviously George, but I think actually I'm quite drawn to Bob the caravan.
Yes. Yeah.
Just because it's a bit different.
That's what we've got all sorts here today. Caravans, bikes, cars, classics, hot patches. It's a big array of cars here, isn't there? So it's good. Very good turnout.
Yeah, nice to see you, Amber.
And you.
Take care, mate. Well, I was just about to head off, but I thought I'd just capture this later on. I thought, look, it's a Volvo 480. When was the last time you saw one of these? Absolutely fantastic. Well, I thought I'd wrap things up this week a little differently. I had to leave the show early due to commitments, but whilst I was there, they were running a competition to vote for favourite vehicle of the day. Well, the people had spoken, and with the overwhelming majority, first place went to the very deserved little Austin A30. I want to thank Genevieve and Jake for all their efforts putting on such a great first event. I would have loved to have spoken to them more, but of course they were busy running the stand and dealing with a host of visitors. The day was made even more special by getting the chance to meet the Hubnuts. What a fantastic family, they're lovely. Finally, last but not least, of course my mate Amber, who runs Driven 24/7. We always have a laugh when we meet up, and please look out for future videos featuring the pair of us. Also a shout out to Joseph of Lloyd Vehicle Consulting. It was great to meet you in person, mate. I'll put the link to all the websites in the video description. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button, it really does help me out, guys. And see you in the next one.